Let's make dorayaki. Dorayaki is a traditional Japanese sweet, consisting of a soft and chewy outer layer made from flour, with sweet red beans taste anko filling inside. Today we're going to use these ingredients: cake flour, sugar, I prefer brown sugar, honey, baking powder, water, mirin, eggs, red beans paste, subuam. For this recipe, we will use pre-made subuam. Crack eggs into a bowl. Add sugar and mix well to prevent lumps. Add mirin and honey and mix. Next, dissolve baking powder in water. Add and mix well. Shift cake flour to prevent lumps. Then gently fold it into the mixture. Let it rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Warm a flat frying pan over low heat. Use a non-stick pan and avoid using oil. Pour the batter onto the pan, forming circles like pancakes. When bubbles appears on a surface, flip them over. Once both sides are golden brown, they are ready. Place them with the flipped side up and add red beans paste on top. Spread it evenly and adjust the amount to your preference. Combine two pieces to complete. This is one of a traditional Japanese sweet. Enjoy!